Okay,
$100,000 apiece, 54 civilians, so that works out to $5.4 million.
Yeah, it's not cheap to go out there, is it?
No.
I'll let them hire me to drive the sub. That would be cool.
Do you know how to drive a submersible?
I have no clue, but I'll bet you push the handle. Yeah, push the handle forward and the boat gets bigger, push the handle
Just
back.
make sure you go.
See, I'll go up in an airplane with Roland, but I'm not going down in a sub with you. That's
like 13,000 feet below the surface of the ocean.
Yeah, it's a long way down, and it takes a long time to get there.
That kind of scares me. Time-lapse video, folks. Gorgeous day. Wasn't it nice? A little bit on the breezy to windy side, depending on where you were. Northwesterly flow behind last night's front that generated a couple of showers for us. But now what we're seeing is the next storm. It is headed this way. I expect to see rain tomorrow. And then we'll be much drier on Saturday, and then partly cloudy skies on Sunday. So the weekend actually looks nice once we get through tomorrow. But tomorrow, things are going to get a little bit on the soggy side, and we have the potential of seeing some maybe isolated thunderstorms later in the day. Then more rain is in the forecast again on Monday. So here's the storm that hit us yesterday. You can see it moving out into the Front Range of Colorado. This is the nice dry wedge of air that was affecting us today. And here comes the next storm. So yesterday's storm, a break. Tomorrow's storm, we're seeing this pattern setting up where it's still extremely active, where all these systems want to come in from the Pacific Ocean, courtesy of the flow on the jet stream. And with this active pattern, what I'm seeing right now is that the rhythm that the atmosphere is getting into is that we're going to be seeing a storm about every 3 days. And you'll see that on the satellite, on the 7-day forecast in just a second. But tomorrow again, here comes the first of a series of storms that will catch a break on Saturday and Sunday, with the next storm coming in on Monday. Here's the way the computer models display what will happen with the atmosphere tomorrow. In the morning around 7 o'clock, we might even see a little bit of sunshine, but there's going to be increasing clouds. And notice how the models already want to start generating some shower activity across eastern Oregon. Some of that shower activity could start moving into the Treasure Valley by the early morning or mid-morning hours, but I think by lunchtime, that's when we see the shower activity really becoming more widespread. And by the evening commute tomorrow, that's when we'll see the soggiest conditions, with the possibility of a couple of isolated storms, a little bit of higher elevation mountain snow. And then here we go into Saturday, and Saturday is looking nice. At least it is going to be significantly drier, but there may still be a few isolated showers in the higher elevations of those mountains. 56 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow. Expect to see rain. Best chance afternoon into the evening. Then on Saturday and Sunday, let's go drier with sunny to partly cloudy skies. There's the next storm on Monday. Then a break Tuesday and Wednesday. There's the next storm on Thursday. You get the idea. About every 3 days. Same scenario for the mountains. Rain is expected, maybe a little high elevation snow tomorrow. Same goes for Monday. Same goes for Thursday. And speaking of the mountains, here's the snowpack that we have. Now, nobody's really reporting any new snow, but we could see a little snow, especially tomorrow in the higher elevations, but almost all areas. Let's see, the base right now at Sun Valley is 48 inches. The summit at Sun Valley is 105 inches. The summit at Tamarack is 93 inches. So everybody still has a tremendous snowpack in those higher elevations. Look at the southeastern mountains. Look at Pomerel, a 139-inch base with 153 inches on the mountaintop waiting to come down. And Grand Targhee has a 109-inch base right now. Soldier Mountain reporting a 38-inch base with the summit at about 73 inches. So the snowpacks are high. As we start seeing this next round of rain that moves in tomorrow, my concern is going to be that as the rain moves in and it interacts with the snowpack, what is going to happen with the hydrological response? In other words, the rivers, they're already being taken to the point that they're very high. Those rivers that are in minor flood stage could possibly see a little more flooding by tomorrow night and Saturday. That's what we'll be watching.
Pushed in the limits.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, all right. Thank you, Roland.